CROSSWAVE HF3 vacuums, washes and sanitizes your hard floors all at the same time, and is our lightest, quietest and most compact CROSSWAVE to date. Always clean with fresh water and formula thanks to its two-tank technology, separating the clean water from the dirty. Not only is CROSSWAVE HF3 light and agile, it's also easy to use. Simply turn it on with one button and let the HF3's forward motion motor effortlessly glide across your hard floors, vacuuming and mopping in one simple step. You don't even have to think. CROSSWAVE HF3 automatically dispenses clean water and formula for you. Its super low profile and swivel steering lets you easily navigate around furniture and into awkward spaces. Plus, HF3's state-of-the-art digital motor not only has amazing suction power, but its innovative delay stop feature ensures nothing is left behind. When you're done, with the press of a button, CROSSWAVE HF3 will even rinse itself with its self-cleaning cycle. In the box, you'll receive the CROSSWAVE HF3, the self-cleaning and charging dock, 2 sample bottles of biodegradable BISSELL formula, 2 sets of washable CROSSWAVE HF3 filters, 1 multi-surface brush roll, and the cleaning brush with attached strainer for separating the solid waste from the liquid when emptying. The new BISSELL CROSSWAVE HF3 hard floor washer is available now at leading retailers and bissell.com.au.